Welcome back everybody. I'm Kevin. This is KLS. Now, today I will be doing another reaction video, another football reaction video. So I'm sorry for being away for so long, guys. I was doing a lot of stuff. As you can see, I have a new channel art, a new logo, a new everything. As you can see, the previous video before this. Um, and my setup is different now. I use my laptop, and it's kind of a bit slow for me learning to use it, do the editing and stuff. But I'm getting there. So today we will be doing a football reaction video, and the footballer we will be reacting to is called Neymar. So let's dive right in. If you guys hear the sound in the background, that's my dad watching a movie. Say, located to that. Neymar, people, Neymar. Telling no lie to me, this footballer is the best skilled footballer I've seen for a long time. Oopsie, nutmeg. That's what we call a salad in Jamaica. Simple and snake. Simple and neat. I need to pressure myself. That himself in it. Fire post. Oh, that's actually right there. It doesn't go. No lie, I love this hairstyle. So I thought this hairstyle just looks so awesome on him. The dreads, the yellow dreads, blonde dreads, what you want to call it. Nutmeg. Damn. Ooh. Nice one. He don't Neymar is one of the great footballer and I have a liking towards him. I haven't watched his, one of his good football videos in a long time. Since he left Barcelona, I've been watching the videos first. It's not like I hate him now because he left Barcelona. You know, it's just I've been watching football lately and completely distracted by other stuff. Ooh, nice one. Give you a clap for that. Ay. Good touch, good touch, good touch. This kid got great footballer. What a ball! No! A ball of grimy. A ball of grimy. I'm gonna call him, man. I'm joking. Alright, international. Yeah, this is the hairstyle that I like. That blonde dread. You came at me. Yeah, this is the hairstyle. You can see, no, it's no like I would wear it. It looks cool. Oh god, that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. It's a very great. Comment below what you think about this video. Comment below what you think about it. To me, it's a very awesome video. I know it's short, but it's a very awesome video. I love this video. It's very entertaining. Like I said, Neymar is a very good baller. As I said before, he's very skilled footballer. I have things I've been saying about him for the past couple of weeks. I heard a lot of things, but to me, he's still a great baller. I still love and respect him. Not more than Alina though, but I still love and respect him. And he's always been one of my top footballers. So thanks guys for stopping by, checking out my video. I really appreciate you guys for still sticking around. I love you guys. I literally love you guys. yeah, so this is the end of my video. I'm Kevin. This is KLS, and I'm out. Peace.